Hello everyone, welcome to the class and today we would work on another new SLO 6.1.13 rectifying grammatical errors by editing or revising a written text. Okay, so this SLO can be done in many different ways. So today we would start and we would go into the depth of this SLO in our coming classes. One thing that I want you to notice is that in our grammatical accuracy SLOs, there are many other SLOs, and you would notice that I have started from the end. Now, why I have started from the end? Because these are the same SLOs, exactly same SLOs in ninth class. You must have learnt in ninth as well, but it doesn't mean that I won't cover. I would cover what I want you to do. That I'm covering these SLOs in ninth class as well, and you know that I'm recording the classes. Today I focus the same point. The same first point is in ninth class. It is the same, exactly the same. Okay, so what I want you to do, I want to go, in a way that I can touch all of these things, and you can also learn all of these things. So what I want you to do, you have to cover this point from the recording of the video that I would share in GCR today. Okay, so today we would work on rectifying grammatical errors. Okay, and we can revise a written text as we do in the class. Sometimes you write letters, stories, and then I revise them, I correct, rectify or highlight your errors. We can do that also, but today is first class and I would do it in a different way. Okay, so we would do through a PowerPoint, and let's see, we would focus on rectifying grammatical errors. I'll take you to another screen now. Okay, Mustajab, here you see a new slide. Correct the mistakes. Okay, so there would be mistakes, and you have to suggest to me what would be the correct, what would be its rectification. You have to rectify the error. Okay. Asha, Mustajab, read the sentence on the screen.
What do you want, a Coke or an orange juice?
Acha, see, Mustajab, there is an error in this sentence. Can you tell me what is the error? Yes. Can you tell me the error, Mustajab? What do you think can be
Says,
the
repeat the sentence.
error? Yes, the sentence is, what do you want, a Coke or an orange juice? Yes. What do you want?
So it is dots.
This thing, punctuation mark colon, you are saying? No, no, it's
Yes.
correct there. When we give a list or when we give an explanation or say a kind of choice, we use this column. It's not the mistake. Acha, now let me tell you something here. It's the mistake. Okay, what do you want? Okay, so don't you think? What do you think? Is there any error here? What should we have here instead of what? What can go here? Yes. Yes, Mustajab, if I say that what should not be there, this word what should be cut, what do you think another word can go here? Yes.
Why do you want a Coke?
Sorry, say it again.
So we can use why do you want a Coke or an orange juice?
Acha, okay, so we can also say either you want a coke or an orange juice. Acha, but see, then we should say whether or
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Okay, we can say whether or, right? You are saying we should use whether or either, right? Okay, let's ask Fiza. Fiza, do you see any error in this sentence? Yes, Fiza, do you see any error in this sentence? Can you hear me? Okay, let me tell you.
No, sir.
You can't hear me or you can't tell me the error. Yes.
No, sir. No error.
Asha, there is no error. Asha, there is error actually. Okay, now here is the error. Okay, so what we should do, we should, let me tell you, when we
Remove the word.
offer a limited choice to someone, here only two things we are highlighting, Coke or an orange, right? So this is a limited choice. When we have limited choice, we should use what? Oh, not what. We should use which. And when we have many things to offer to somebody, then we would say, what. This is the error. Okay, so we should say, which do you want, a Coke or an orange? Actually, let me tell you the rule. When we have limited choice, say here we have limited choice, Coke or an orange juice. Only two options are there. So the correct word is which is used with limited choice. When you have many things, then you would say what? What do you want? Do you understand? Yes, Mustajab, tell me. Yes.
Sir, can we use the why?
Buy? Buy do you want?
Why?
Why?
Why do
Why?
you want a
Acha, how can we say why? Why do you want a Coke? Acha, then it would be another sentence actually. That would be a correct sentence. Why do you want a Coke or an orange juice? Maybe then we would have to change the punctuation. Okay, then we would not use maybe the colon. Okay, but here I was focusing on the choice and what and which word. Okay, so let's move to another one. Acha, Fiza, can you read this sentence? Yes.
I am work at an office downtown.
Acha, Fiza, can you tell me any error in this sentence?
yes sir.
Yes.
I am तो working होगा. There should
Okay.
be working, not work.
Okay, good. So we
I am working at an office downtown.
Acha, Mustajab, what do you think? Okay, this is correct. Okay, I am working at an office downtown. This is a correct
Sir,
sentence.
I am thinking that I am working at an office downtown.
Okay, so you also think that way. Acha, now this is correct because we have here.
Sir, I think that
Acha, can
Rizal
we?
doesn't responding.
Okay, that's the one option to make this sentence correct. But there can be another sentence also. So what do you think it can be? So the sentence you made, it is present continuous tense, right? Because you thought that.
Sir, I works at an office downtown.
Okay, good. I works. You say I works at an office downtown. Fiza, do you see there is any error in Mustajab's option? She
Yes,
said,
sir.
yeah.
Sir, I work at an office downtown.
Yes, it should be I work, not I works. Okay, so you are correct. You got the error. You picked the error. Okay, so see, it should be either I work at an office downtown, or as Fiza said, I am working at this at the office downtown. Here, a little slight changing in the sentence. Okay, so Mustajab, read the other sentence.
I am my Mary doesn't take the bus to school.
Okay, Fiza, do you think it's correct?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
should I tell?
Yes, doesn't? You're right.
Mary doesn't take the bus to the school.
Okay, to school actually. We don't use the here, okay? So Mary doesn't take the school to doesn't take the bus to school, okay? So you are correct. Okay, now Fiza will tell me, Fiza, what's error in this sentence? Yes.
They cook very well.
Okay. What's the error? Yes. Can you
It
tell me?
cooks. That
Very
cooks
good.
very well.
Okay, very good. Date cooks very well. Achha, now see, only two students are in the class, and I didn't start the class the way I wanted. Okay, so what I wanted you to understand first is the importance of writing error-free. Okay, so if our language is full of errors, if our writing is full of errors, actually. Let me tell you, there are many things that come that matter, that are considered, let me put it in a way that is very easy for you to understand. Asha, actually, people judge you, I think, based on your communication. If your communication skill is, really bad, you even can't handle a comma, or you can't even handle a present simple tense, then people, really think that you are not that say genius or intelligent person. So people judge us on our communication skills, the way we write, the way we use language. Okay, so if it's not accurate, it's not error free, then we are not going to make a good reputation in other people's mind. Let me give you example. For example, see, I have written many stories and I have also published books. Now consider that if my books were full of errors, believe me that people would mock at me, right? They would make fun of me. They would say, this guy doesn't know how to write a sentence and he's publishing books, right? Now like this, people judge us. Okay, so another important thing I would tell you, because we are learning these things in terms of exam situations. Now if your paper in the exam, if your essay, if your letter is full of errors, now, assessor, would not be happy with your paper. He would not give you high score. So, if you want high score, if you want an A plus, you need to write, error-free writing, error-free grammar. Okay, so your grammar should be correct and accurate. Another example I would give you here. Consider that if you are driving, okay, if you are driving and if there are, say, so many
Sir,
vehicles.
your voice is not clear.
Okay, let me change my place. So I was telling you that consider that if you are driving and on the way, if you have unnecessary breakers on the road, those breakers would not make your driving smooth. Okay, so they would disturb you. Like this, in exam, when your assessor is checking paper, if there are too many mistakes in your. Okay, so I am back. My internet connection just didn't work and I got disconnected. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me now. Can you hear me? So I was telling you the importance of writing error free. Okay, so if you are driving on a road and say there are unnecessary breakers, I think you won't have a smooth drive and you would be sick of the breakers. Like this, when in exam your paper is checked by say an assessor, the assessor, if he finds lots of errors on the paper, in the paper, every single line, every single sentence is full of errors, then I think he would really be bored with your paper and not happy, and this would result in low score. Okay, so this is what I wanted you to understand, the importance of error free writing. Okay, so let's continue now. So this was the error. Okay, again I had a connection issue, but let's continue. Okay, so this was the error. Let's move to another sentence now. Okay, Mr. Job, tell me what's the error here?
You go to school by bike.
Yes, what it should be? Yes. What do you think it should be? Yes.
You go to school with bike.
With bike? No, no, no. We don't say with bike. Asha, Fiza, what's your opinion about this sentence? Do you see any error in this sentence? What's the error? Which is the error?
Sir, I think it is correct.
What it should be? How would you say it? Yes. Tell me again. Let me give you a hint. So now see, this is a hint. It's a question mark, right? So do you think that it's according to the question? Is it according to the
No,
question?
sir.
Then what it should be?
Uh, question mark should be
Question mark should
removed.
be removed. And now
Yeah.
see, why should we remove the question mark? Question mark should be there. Why don't we
So
make?
then we should use do you go to school by bike?
Exactly, exactly. Okay, so you're right. So we should say, do you go to school by bike, right? Okay, maybe you are also right if we want to make it correct. If say there were options, and if there was this option of list stop there, then maybe you are also right. But here it's a question, so we need to make the sentence a question. Okay. Uh, okay, I mistakenly clicked a little one more time, so I have here the mistake shown. Achha, now see how this should be, said. Actually, this is a mistake. I have always English classes at CCAA in the afternoon. So here is the mistake. How it should be. How would you rewrite it? Mustajab?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how would you rewrite the sentence? This is the error here. In red, you see this is error. Yes. Fiza, you can also tell us if you can tell us anyway. Yes. How would you fix this error?
I have English classes always at CCA in the afternoon.
Okay, so you have caught the error that there is this error of always, but you are putting it here after classes. It's
No,
wrong
sir, we
place.
should remove always.
We should remove always. Why should we remove? Why don't we change its place? Achha, now Fiza is saying that we should put this always here, but this is wrong place again. It's incorrect. It would be incorrect here. So Mustajab, we need to put this somewhere. This adverb needs
Okay,
to.
sir, then we should use it. I have English classes at CCA
Mhm. Achha, no.
always in the afternoon. After CCA, we should is
Okay, you are saying
put the
here.
always.
Always in the afternoon. You are going to take this and put it here. No, it's again wrong place. It's again wrong place. Let me give you one more chance. Where would you put it? Do you remember the rule of putting adverbs in sentences? Where these adverbs go? Okay, let's find out. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Actually, this is.
I
Mm-hmm. See,
I was saying this.
adverbs come after subject, okay, and they come here, and in between subject and helping of here, you put the adverb here, okay. Remember the rule. I always have English classes at CCAA in the afternoon. So this is the error actually. We needed to put the adverb after the subject, okay. So remember this rule that adverbs mostly come after the subject. Okay. So now another sentence. Yes, Fiza, would you tell us what's the error? Read the sentence first. Yes. Read the sentence. Fiza, go ahead and read the sentence. Okay, Mustajab, you go. Yes.
You can buy some blouse you want.
Okay, blouse. Okay, you can buy some blouse you want. What is the error now? Can you fix the error?
Can you buy some blouse you want?
Can you buy some blouse? So you want to end the sentence there, right?
No, sir. Can you buy some blouse you want?
Acha, now you are making it a question, but it is not a question. Okay, see, it's a statement. When you see here a full stop, it means that this should be there. Okay, so this should be there. Full stop should be there, and it should be a statement. You need to change something else. Can you think of something else that needs to be fixed? Fiza, you can also
Sir,
suggest.
we can remove can there and put in other word.
No, no. Again, you are not right. Though this is very easy, I was thinking that it would be very easy for the students, but see, I feel that you have difficulty detecting the error. Okay, Fiza, can you detect the error? Fiza, what do you think? Yes. Mm-hmm.